Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a water dispenser. This is my fourth project in the Playto kit. So all that we need is a power, two batteries. These are the two batteries. Now after that we have to connect the power to a switch or a button. Now we are going to take both switch and the button. This is the switch and this is the button. Now we need the motor. So the motor is here, good. And now the other thing that we need is the water pipe. This pipe enables water to go through the circuit from this one to this one and will get deposited in this one. And now we need the water pump. So now let me just attach this. It's a little bit hard to, so definitely will take you some time. Okay, yeah, it's attached. So then, now we need these two water containers as we are going to deposit the water from this one to this one. So I actually kept some water from this one to this one because I thought like we have to actually submerge it, and I thought like if it gets submerged, the water will flow out. So that's why. So now what I'm going to do is first I'm going to use the battery connector which connects the power to the battery. So now it's like this, right? We are going to keep the hexagon in the circle and like that. Okay, now after that we are going to keep it to the power. So now it's like battery connected to the power. So then now we're going to connect the, okay, 1 second, I'm getting the wires. So now we're going to connect the power to the switch or the button. Let's go with the switch first. Okay, we connected the switch now. Okay, so now after that, all we need to do is connect the switch to the motor because that is where we're going to connect the water pump. So let me take a thing, 1 second. Okay, yeah. And now this is the other wire which I'm going to use to connect the switch to the motor. That's quite easy. And now make sure you're going to connect it in speed in, because in direction in it won't work because it doesn't matter where the direction. So make sure you definitely keep it in direction, and also make sure that until this coated part, nothing of the wires fall into this because it may not function. Since it is like insulated, since it is covered with an insulated material, so that will be no problem. So now we're going to keep the motor to the water pipe. Sorry, to the motor for the water pump. So now we're going to keep this. Okay, after that, now we just have to connect another more battery connector, and now another battery. Okay, so now what all we have to do is to just submerge this into this, and now you should make sure that the down part here should be there, or can be there properly. If it's not there, then also be careful, because if you turn it on without seeing, then it may hurt your hand very badly. It will burn like so much badly. So it's better that you don't keep your finger and you only allow this, only turn on the motor when it's in the water and when you're all ready to go. So now all I have to do is turn on the power. When you turn on the power, you can feel that it's vibrating. So we have a feel. Now let's turn on the switch. Okay, it did that very quickly. So you got to be careful. Going to keep this aside. Okay, now you can do the same thing with the button. It will work. So I hope you like this project. Bye bye.